Hey everyone, today we're diving into container orchestration with a quick comparison of Docker Swarm, Nomad, and Kubernetes. Let's break down each one and see how they stack up to find the best fit for your needs. First up, we have Docker Swarm. It's Docker's native orchestration tool, super simple to set up with just a few commands. Swarm manages Docker containers across multiple nodes, offering built-in load balancing and high availability. It's lightweight and perfect for smaller teams already using Docker. Next, we have Nomad as a flexible workload orchestrator handling both containerized and non-containerized apps like Java or VMs. It's a single binary, easy to install, and scales to thousands of nodes. Nomad shines for its simplicity and cross-platform support. Finally, we have Kubernetes or K8s. It's the industry leader built for complex, large-scale deployments. Kubernetes automates container management with features like autoscaling, self-healing, and a massive ecosystem. It's powerful but has a steeper learning curve. Now, let's compare. Here's a quick chart to break it down. So, which is better? It depends. Choose Docker Swarm for small Docker-based projects where simplicity is key, and go with Nomad for diverse workloads or if you want a lightweight, scalable solution. Pick Kubernetes for large, complex apps with advanced automation needs. That's it, guys. Whether you're a startup or an enterprise, there's a tool for you. Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. See ya.